So he has, he has a case here as well.
Yes, Judge.
He picked up an unlawful possession of a firearm by a felon here.
That's correct, Judge. And that's while the larceny was pending. The warrant was issued out September 23rd, 2023, and while he had this pending.
Whoa, so the warrant's been issued he's been out on the lam for a year?
Well, that's when the warrant was issued. I don't know if anything past that, but it was September of last year, and then he took the felon possession of a weapon for the duration, or while he was wanted for the initial larceny. And the fact that he had a recent prior conviction a year before, and the fact that he has at least 6, but I didn't count, regarding similar offenses, is that we would be opposed to a bond.
He is waiting on a bond in this court, so he can post that bond. He's been in contact with his family. He's got the support of his girlfriend, his mother. He's never been given a bond here to go allow himself to turn himself into there. I would request that he be given that opportunity to do so. He's got a plan in place on how to do that and how to get to Georgia and reconcile what's going on over there.
So he's been on the lam? I mean, this case has been open since September 23.
Judge, I was just appointed on this. I don't know the specifics as to when the warrant was issued, as to what's happened in the meantime. I just know that there is an extradition request in place, and I would request that he be given the opportunity to.
Yeah, I'm just, if he's been on the lam for a year and a half, I'm not down with that, really.
That's the person, the one that he was recently convicted of in 2022. So he bond forfeit on that one. 4 months before, he had a warrant out for this.
Yeah, he also had you had another case from 2022. You took off at least 2 times on that case. How on earth do you think that I can trust you that you're going to go back when you have not, you just pled to another case not too long ago and you took off at least 2 times on that case? Sure.
No, that's not accurate. I was in jail, and when I did my time for being in jail, and they issued out a warrant, and I had no idea about the warrant, because when I went home to try and deal with the warrant, they told me that it was nothing that they could find, and they would.
I'm talking about you have a theft from a person from 2022, October. They issued at least 2 different warrants that I can see because you violated bond conditions on 2 separate occasions.
I was never on. I never got in custody for any of it. But as soon as it was time for me, to turn myself in, that's exactly what I did. When I learned about the warrant, I turned myself in.
Yeah, no, man, sorry.
Judge,
can't.
is there any chance we can put this on the docket for Thursday so I can delve into the facts a little more?
For sure, you can. I'm happy to do it. Right? Ricardo, I have no problem if you want to ever try to, show me something more. But I mean,